Hello students, hope you all are well and safe at home. Today the date is 23rd April and the day is Thursday. Students, I am your English teacher and today we are going to start our first chapter from English Reader. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you something. The very first thing is that you will have to make two separate notebooks for English. One for English Reader and another for English Grammar. The notebook in which you were doing the work till now was English Grammar notebook, and the work which I am going to send you now, you will do that in a separate notebook, that means a new notebook, and that would be your English Reader notebook. So you will do grammar work in your grammar notebook and reader work in your reader notebook. Next thing I would like to tell you that it is compulsory to write unit, part and chapter name at the top of each exercise. So you will follow the same while doing the exercise in your notebook. Unit, basically the unit number which would be going on. Part here means if poem would be there, then you will write part first. And if story would be there, then you will write part second. And the chapter name is basically the chapter related to which the exercise would be. I hope you would have understood all this. Thanks. So now let's come to the chapter. Before starting it, I would like to ask you a question. Which food item do you like the most during summer? Definitely you would be having different answers of this question. Some would say mango, other will say watermelon, but one thing is there which every one of us love to eat. That is ice cream. And our favorite person just might be the ice cream man. So today we will go through the poem The Ice Cream Man, and we can connect this with our life as well, as we all have experienced this in our life. So let's start the poem. The poem is written by Rachel Field, who is an American poet who writes fictional stories and poems which are based on imaginary things. This poem is based on an ice cream man who is wandering in the streets with his little cart, and number of children came to him to buy their favorite things. So let's start. When summer in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So here, students, the poet wants to describe the situation of hot summer days. When everything outside seems like burning, it's all heat around. All the things are heated up, whether it may be the building, the rocks or the bricks. And in this hot sunny day, an ice cream man is trundling down, or we can say moving down the streets with his little cart. Cart basically is the vehicle which the ice cream man is using to keep his things like ice creams and drinks and all. Who is using this vehicle to just move in the streets on hot summer days. Beneath his round